today I'm going to be making slime. Let's see if this is a fail or not. My mom's going to be helping me, but she's not going to be really in the video. So, first step is to add only a little bit of glue. Because we learned from my brother's
with the
mistakes.
slime.
Yeah, he's playing with his slime that he made. We learned from mistakes. Only a little bit of glue. So about that much. And then we add the food coloring, which is, I have red right now. Then let's add 3 drops of that, 3 little drops. And guys, this is how it looks right now. This is how it looks.
Spider-Man?
That's how it looks. It looks like somebody just died in snow.
Guys, I'm
Okay.
Spider-Man.
Don't let it hit the floor, little. Next step is to add a lot of shaving cream. So
Yeah, like
we
1,190.
want to add a lot of that. So that's how it looks, about that much. Let's add a little bit more.
That looks like
About
whipped
that
cream.
much. Like that. So, our final step, or final to the last, my mom just helping me a little. Our final step is to add contact solution. Let's add like that much. Okay. Now, let's start mixing with our spoon.
What?
The red's starting to get into it. Okay. This is turning out pretty good, guys. It's like a pinkish color. I'm fine with that. If I'm getting tired, then yeah, but like, right now, no. So right now, I'm not tired. Am I doing good?
Maybe add a little more food color.
It looks good though. I like it with this color. I guess I'll add one more drop. My mom's telling me to add one more. Oh, I like that much more. And here's,
There, no?
I need to show them like how it looks. Can you show them how it looks? It's looking, right now it doesn't look too good. Well, it's looking good so far. It looks like
You
blood.
making pink?
Blood.
I'm thinking my.
Your white slime.
I have 2 slimes.
He just made slime. You really only have one because the other one was a fail. This one is most likely not going to be. My mom is going to help me mix, guys. Let's show you her mixing skills. My mom mixes every day, so this is good. Starting to get slimy, right? A little bit more of that. We're getting a form. Can I feel it? Little bit sticky, so let's keep mixing.
Yummy.
Is it starting to get good? Are you getting it out? Is it good? Any slime will get your hands a little messy, so. That is the slime, guys. So let's play with it, guys. No, look at me. Wait, let me mix it too. I want to get it into a big thing.
It only got me a little bit. And we'll play with the blue one. It's the same. Mama was like, I wish I could have that much fun. Look at her. She like.
That's it, bye. That's it, guys.
Yeah, guys.
Bye.